my god. It's been crazy trying to do this pink hair. I think I'm super indecisive that I just couldn't decide if I was going to bleach my hair first, because as you can see, all of this new growth, and then if I was just to like dye it pink, it would just be the tips of my hair. So I decided I am going to bleach it and then dye it. So before dyeing it pink, I'm going to be using my Quick Blue bleach along with a 40 volume developer. So I'm gonna try to leave it in as long as possible because I'm not doing two processes. I'm not doing two processes like I did last time when I got this color. I think I did 3 processes, honestly, and you could tell because my hair is dry, but it's okay because I'm shaving it again soon. So yeah, let's just get started because it took me like a week to do this. You need gloves. You do not want to get bleach on your fingers because they're going to turn white and like have little spots and be dry, and it's kind of scary, honestly. And yeah, you don't want bleach on your hands or on your skin. So you also need Vaseline, and I'm just going to place this along my hairline and on top of my ears and maybe like lower neck. And then you want some type of cap you could put on your hair so that the heat activates the bleach. I'm going to try to leave this bleach on for like an hour just because I'm not doing 2 processes, so we'll see how long I can last, because as you guys may know, bleach can hurt. It can like burn you if you leave it on for too long. Also, I'm going to be putting some coconut oil on my hair just to protect it a bit. And yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, and you want to change your shirt. Like, I love this shirt. You definitely want to put on like an old t-shirt you don't care about because you might get bleach on it or dye.
Wait, you can make gold?
During that part because you don't really want to talk when you're doing this. You just want to get it done. You just can make so many mistakes, like I just did. I put some more bleach on my forehead. I'm gonna clean that off with a baby wipe. But yeah, you want to put the cap on. I'm leaving mine in for 45 minutes to an hour. Don't at me, y'all. Like, that's what I do for my hair. So pretty much what I would say to you is, if you really care about the health of your hair, maybe do some more research and some more reading. I think 30 minutes is like what you should be doing, but I'm shaving my hair again. I'm not really trying to grow it out, and I'm having fun with color. So yeah, in order for me not to do two processes, I'm just leaving it on for a little longer. I saw someone who left it on for 2 hours, so I think an hour is enough for me. I'm just gonna clean myself up a bit, clean my room a bit, and then wash this out and come back for what you've been waiting for, pink hair. I'm gonna feel like a little fairy. I'm so excited. You know, my Instagram name is Chris Noelle Fairy. Follow me on Instagram, guys. You know that's where I do most of my updates, but BRB. My hair is feeling really dry because I did not put I didn't put like a leave-in conditioner, or just I didn't even rinse it with conditioner because I want this color to like really take. I'm going to put on one glove so I can pretty much like manipulate it into my hair. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait, you can make gold?
And it's so crazy because the tips only took the pink. I will say I only left this in my hair for like 10 minutes because I'm rushing to get my pedicure. Yeah, so when I get back and when my hair is dry, I'm going to put on the pink dye again and leave it in for like 38 minutes. I think that will do. But it's so cool. It looks like I have originally like blonde hair and then the tips are pink. So interesting. Really cute. I'm excited to see how it looks after the second process though, because I do want all of my hair to be pink. But you would assume that the pink would be darker. It washes out to this really nice pastel pink color. All right guys, going to get my pedicure. Be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and we're about to do the second rinse. All right, so this is the result of the second rinse and I really like it. I like it. I feel like I can do anything with pink hair. Like I feel like I'm a little fairy baby. It just makes me happy. Like I hope when other people see me it makes them happy, and yeah. It's super cute. So what I'm going to try and do are finger waves. Let me YouTube it because I get finger waves by my girl Sparkle, and it's kind of hard to do it on yourself, how to do finger waves on short hair. Thumbnails are really important because there were a lot of cute ones, but I just love how, oh, dang it, I don't know to stop it. But yeah, she had like 3 different pictures and all right, let's go. This is the finished product, you guys. I really enjoy it. I wish my girl was here to do my finger waves so it could look way more professional. I just watched one video on YouTube and yeah, I'm gonna have to watch like a million more. It's kind of hard to do finger waves because like you can't really see the back of your head, so I don't even know what the back of my head looks like right now. But I'm just like, yeah, it looks okay, it looks good, it looks good. I will say, oh my god, I messed up the little swerve. I will say that I'm going to be buzzing my hair again soon and maybe trying more colors with the buzz cut as well. I feel like a fun person and I want to bring in that energy. I'm working on my brand, my business. As you guys know, I quit my 9 to 5 and yeah, I want some like creative energy and this is giving me that. It's giving it to me and I will continue to make some fun hair videos, update you guys on my business, on my life, teach you guys how to manifest. I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Hey guys, for those of you who stood all the way to the end, you get to see when I got my finger waves by Sparkle. Looks completely different from yesterday. She's way better than I am. Also, I did something really stupid yesterday after filming. I shaved the back of my head because like I hate like a little mullet. I kind of like the mullet, but like when everything is slicked down and then it's just like it's like sticking up, you want to like shave it. Yeah, because it's like the normal thing to do when people just like taper it. I don't know, but I did it myself and here it is. I don't know if you could see it, but that's all you're gonna see. I'm super embarrassed by it. But what I'm gonna have a barber do is like fade this in a little more so it doesn't look like that's like my end of my hairline. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. You're a real one if you're seeing this part because you didn't click out yet. Mwah, you're so sweet. I hope you have an amazing day, night, whenever you're watching this. Don't forget how powerful you are. Manifesting videos coming soon.